In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Calendar Power-Up to a Trello project tracking workflow board in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Trello. Once you're signed in, navigate to the project tracking workflow board where you want to enable the calendar feature. Make sure you're opening the correct board before moving on because power-ups are activated at the board level. That means the change will apply specifically to this board, not automatically to every board in your workspace. When the board is open, take a moment to let everything load fully so the menu options are easy to find. On the board interface, look for the option labeled Power-Ups. Depending on the version of Trello you're seeing, this area may also appear through an add-ons or plugin directory link. The wording can vary slightly, but the purpose is the same. This is where Trello lets you browse and activate extra tools that extend the functionality of your board. Click that Power-Ups or Add-ons directory option to open the library. Once the Power-Ups panel appears, you'll see a search field that helps you find tools more quickly. In that search bar, type Calendar. This will narrow the list and bring up the Calendar Power-Up add-on item. If you see multiple related results, make sure you choose the standard Calendar Power-Up designed for displaying cards by date. After you found it, select the Calendar Power-Up and activate it. Trello may label this button as Add, Enable, or something similar depending on the interface update, but the action is the same. Once activated, the calendar feature becomes available for that board and can help you visualize cards with due dates in a much more organized way. This is especially useful for project tracking, deadline planning, and making sure important tasks don't get overlooked. If the option doesn't appear immediately after activation, give the board a few seconds to refresh or reopen the relevant menu area. Sometimes Trello updates the board tools in the background, so a brief pause can help. Also, keep in mind that cards typically need date information, such as due dates, for the calendar view to be useful. And that's it. You've opened your Trello project tracking workflow board in Chrome, accessed the Power-Ups directory, searched for the Calendar Power-Up, and activated it successfully. With this enabled, your board is better set up for timeline-based planning and clearer task visibility.